What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new video. Bear with me today because again I do have the little cheap Wi-Fi. I talked to the people and looks like the router is kind of gone. As you guys noticed in the last video, how I was talking about how Netgear, that's the name of the router, they charge 80 bucks, 89 I think it is, for technical support. So I was like, no. So I'm gonna pay $5 a month for 89 versus $5 a month. And with the internet provider, they provide like their own like a Wi-Fi service, a Wi-Fi router. Not bad. Obviously the modem is like what gives the internet. The Wi-Fi router is what, even if you didn't have a router with the modem, you still have internet. Only through cable though. But the Wi-Fi router is like for phones and stuff like that. If I'm correct, I may be wrong, but that's what I remember learning. So, yeah, I'm gonna do that, and let's get to it. Today is another 30 minutes. This would be, I believe, my third one. Let's just keep going, bro, cause I feel like just repetition is what's gonna teach me, and I have felt it a little bit. But obviously, I gotta learn my tools and stuff like that. When I was doing it with videos, all I was using was either Adobe Premiere, which I'm kind of bad, bro. iMovie, I'm pretty good. I'm alright. I'm decent. I was getting to know color grading, but anyways, and Final Cut Pro. That's what I started with. Then I moved on because Final Cut Pro, I was trying to cut time because Final Cut Pro is like the complex version of iMovie, and it was taking a lot of time, bro, because it's like pro people use Final Cut Pro, so using it for short logs wasn't it, because like I said, it's a little more complex. I went to iMovie, but anyways, the prompt for today is settings. So, design settings for something. Is it for security or privacy settings? Game settings? What is it and what's important? It's up to you. That's it. That's all it is. And let me start the timer. So game setting. Oh, it's just settings in general. What is it? I'm gonna go with troubleshooting type settings. So the UI that I'm gonna go with, again, I'm gonna try something different. Just want to keep trying things a little different. And so I'm gonna go and try to design an industrial UI. So for this one, I think I'm gonna go with. I was thinking of doing a sewing machine, just because that's what I used to have, a sewing machine. I still have it, I just don't know what's at. So, and I remember it had like a little screen display, and obviously like it's a UI, it's a screen. Not everything has to be touch enabled, like even the little screen is a UI, user interface. You have your screen, you have your little screen, and then on the side you have your buttons. So for the screen, I believe I can do. Let's see. Hopefully the Wi-Fi is running and it's doing good. I believe we can start with Figma, but let's just start. I was doing the how was it? This whimsical, I was doing it way like more complicated, so I'm gonna bring it down a little bit. I'm gonna do it a little less complicated. I'm gonna actually try to do a wireframe, like just for what it is, a wireframe. Because at the end of the day, I can't on wireframe. I can't transfer it. from Figma into other interactions, like I could transfer, but you know, from here to there. So let's go ahead and let's do this one. This is the one that I had before. I already downloaded it and everything. I don't know why the circle's still there. I thought I deleted it. What else do I have? Zoom out. Why is it like that? Zoom in. That's crazy, bro. What the hell is that? So I'm gonna do. It's gonna be a little display, right? But it's settings. I'm trying to think how, like, newer sewing machines and how they work and stuff like that. This is a little. Well, this is kind of like the one that I had. The display ain't that big. But I'm assuming this is like the super advanced one. I'll go simple, bro, because I've never done an industrial UI. So I'll go very simple. Alright. Let's go with. I'm gonna start with the square, because I may not have what I need. And I'm gonna go with the dimensions. Let's see. I'll do 200 by 400. We'll go bigger though, because when I export it, it's gonna be a little different. So I'll do 800 by 300. There we go. Alright. And just doing. Let's see if I get some ideas off of just doing this one. So. Industrial UI. Industrial. Industrial machine. I see a lot of the newer ones, they have it sort of like this. A lot of the newer machines, this could be, I mean, I don't know what this is. But a lot of the newer machines, they have it like a display, stuff like that. Full on screens. Amazon has these type of screens. So, alright. We're gonna go with something simple. I'm gonna do this one first, and then I'll see how it comes out. So basically, all it is, I forgot what that was for, to be honest. What is it? Oh, sorry. Oh, damn, I haven't used it in a while. What was it? I forgot what the zeros were for, to be quite honest. And it's not gonna let me. It's too big. Let's go with 200 by. that. Is it gonna go or no? It's too small probably. That's the thing about these. It doesn't go or we'll switch it up. And do that down there. Something like that. And we'll do icon down the middle. And there's like 2 other icons. Let's do the numbers first. What was this? That was an XL. Double XL. What was it? 25 and another 0. Another 2 zeros. $25. This one could be a little smaller. That'll do. That'll do. Except do 0. Alright, so we got that, we got little icons over here. What is it? I think that's the foot pedal, the 2.5. That's the foot pedal speed, I believe, I'm not sure. So we'll just go ahead and go with the foot pedal for now. Let's see if we have clothes. Let's see if we have like a little shoe or something. Not this right here. Obviously a lot smaller. Something like that. There we go. And then over here, it's a little close. Right there. What's that? Is that the? I think that's the thread. The way it zigzags. You can do, obviously they're straight, like a straight stitch. Then you can start zigzagging, and then you can start deep, like a super deep zigzag, or it's just like a minor. I believe that's what it is. I'm not sure. Like I said, I haven't used it in a while. So let's see. Close, no, probably. I wish I can see all icons, just in the see touch gestures, technology, signs, maybe. Arrows, design development. This one could probably do, although that's just like, I think that's just a typing thing, but, or something like this could probably work, just for now. CPU, I think. Let's see. Let's go with that one. What the? Where is it? This one. How big was this one? 20? Can't do it. Alright, 122. Something like that. And then something down the middle, which was the little leg. Accessories. No. Design. Emergency or energy. It's like a little hook. We'll do this for now. Oh, I don't want me. Come on, bro. There we go. Damn, bro, come on. There we go. Something like that. More towards the middle. Oh no. Alright. Something like that. I mean, it's pretty simple. I don't think it could get much better, honestly, on Figma, but we'll see. See how much do I have left? 14 minutes. Alright, let's start. Let's start with the custom one. How do you do that? How do you do a custom one? Layers. Let's do what I originally had, which was, I believe it was 800. Let's do this right here. $800 or $300. We'll go with, let's see, do some text. I'm gonna start with the emoji actually. Let's start with the vector. So do we have? Dribble. Let's go with, how many does this one have? So, let's just go with this. Wait, duplicate, does that mean I already have it? Request. Bold. I'll probably create my own, to be honest. Let's go back to numbers. Oh, you know what would add? More, it would look a little more real. Italics. They're on. I think those other ones are italics too. But I mean, I could just do that on this a little more complex one. We could go with 96, 144. Let's try that. Let's try 144. Something like that. But for now, I'm gonna keep it classic. I just don't know. I don't know where to start, bro. I have no clue. No clue where to start. Does it show preview? No. Can I get a preview or? I'm not trying to go through all of them, bro. Damn, bro. I'm not about to go through all of them. I thought it did let you. I thought somehow. Well. Oh, that's one. Kind of. But there's only one. We can try that one. See how that works. What is it? 2.5 or just 25? Let's see. Copy. Whoops. What did I do? Paste. Paste another one. We'll make these a little smaller. 96. Something like that. There we go. Kinda similar, not really. Oh, I forgot one thing though. 25. Oh, is that the name? Do 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 00. Alright. In terms of the icons, wait, so I have no clue how to I have no clue how to add icons, bro. Flying on top of now. Oh damn. Material design. I think that's Google. Is it? Does it say who it's made by? Nick? Try them out. Oop. Wow. Try this one. And we'll leave it at that. Alright. Damn, what's a law, bro? Alright, so first off, this top one, whoa, they both look like a mouse. So I could just pick different ones. Just one. I'll pick this one for. Let's make it real though. Hold on. Let's make this real. What do I do? Something like that. Usually they have like a green hue. Like a green hue to them. So I'll do that. And then this will be black. Some of them have a blue hue. We'll see what that looks like. Green or blue? I think this one looks a little better. Barely. I'll leave it at that. And then we'll do black. Well, actually, we'll do. What is it? Dark gray. There we go. Another icon. I'm gonna try to. Oh, I got 1 minute left. I'm gonna try to finish this one at least. All the ones that I've posted, I haven't finished at all. So I'm gonna try to finish this one. It's pretty simple. So let's do. I'm just gonna eyeball this. So the mouse. I already set the mouse for this one, so I'll do it. Put it right here. Let's make it a little bigger. Something like that. No snapping or nothing. So just eyeball it. Oh, I know why. Because it's inside. I mean, it's outside. But now that I have it inside, there we go. Something like that. There we go. Something like that. And then for the top one, we'll do the mouse as well. Do the mouse one. We'll do a house. Somebody's texting me. Bro. Yeah, when you do like, damn. Oh, it's only 3. How do you delete it? Damn, it's already X'd. And then finish it. This is it right here. Exactly 30 minutes. Should I clean up the houses or just leave it as is, like all the other ones? I think I'm gonna leave it as is, just like the other ones. Well, what do you know? I was close. I was close. I'm getting more familiar with Figma though, so that's good. I think something that's gonna help me align for future references, obviously not now. I can do a square. I could center line it somewhere. Somewhere, there we go. And I could choose where I want. For example, this one ends right here, right? I choose where I want it. Something like that. And then I could just center it. And boom. And whatnot. Move them around. Basically a little grid. I think they already have a grid. I just forgot how to use it, so But I think the grid that they have is for. I think it's for web only, but I'm not sure. Let me just delete. Let me delete this. Hold on. Where is it? Effects. No. Alright, well, that's that. Oh, man. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good one. Peace out.